Hi everyone, it's Henry Purchase here, founder of SEOSpace, and in this video, I'm going to explain what search intent is, the 4 different types of search intent, and why understanding search intent is so important when it comes to keyword research and ultimately attracting your target customers at the right time. Now, what search intent is, it's essentially the reason why someone is searching for a specific keyword, and there's 4 different types. The first kind is informational intent. When someone's searching for an informational keyword, that's because they've got a specific question or they're looking for information. So for example, when someone searches what is SEO, it's because they've got a question and they want to get information about what is SEO. We then have navigational. This is when someone is searching to find a specific website or web page. So for example, if someone searches SEOSpace, it's because they're looking for the SEOSpace website, they want to find our homepage, etc., etc. Likewise, if you searched Amazon login, it's because you're probably looking to log into your Amazon account. So you're searching specifically for the Amazon login web page. We then have transactional keywords, and these are keywords that people search when they have transactional intent, i.e. they're looking to buy right now, they've got their credit card out, and they're looking to spend money. So for example, if someone searches for SEOSpace DIY plan sign up, that's because they've got the credit card out, they want to start a free trial, and they're ultimately looking to spend money. We then have commercial keywords, and these are keywords that people search when they've got intent to buy, likely in the near future, and they're using the internet in order to do their research. So for example, if someone searches best SEO plugins for Squarespace, it's because they're looking for the best SEO plugins, and they're probably looking to buy in the near future. Likewise, if you search for best running shoes for a marathon, you're probably going to be doing a marathon at some point in the future, and you're looking for the best options to ultimately spend money in the near future. And the reason why understanding search intent is so important is because when you find a keyword that you want to rank for, you want to understand the intent, i.e. the reason why your target customer is searching that keyword, so you can ultimately put the content on your web page that best matches that intent. So for example, if your target customer is searching a informational keyword, it's because they're looking for information. So you need to provide your target customer with that information so that when they find your web page, they're ultimately staying on there for longer. They're getting what they want, which will in turn lead Google to ranking you higher. It will lead to your target customer staying on your web page for longer and ultimately more likely to buy your product or service. Likewise, if you want to rank for a transactional keyword, you will need to put content on that web page that you want to rank for that transactional keyword that provides what someone is looking for when they're typing that transactional keyword. Search intent is also really important because it allows you to identify keywords that will ultimately allow you to grow your business. For example, if you only ever target informational keywords, people that are searching this, they don't have the credit card out, they're probably not interested in your product or service. So if you just focused on these, you're probably not going to grow your business through SEO. Versus if you also pick transactional and commercial keywords and you optimize different pages on your website for these keywords, well, when target customers find you, they're more likely to have their credit card out, and therefore they're more likely to buy your product or service. So that's why understanding search intent is so important, because again, as I've said, you want to make sure that not only you've got a variation of different types of keywords, but you're also providing the information that your target customer is looking for, i.e. you're matching the intent when they search for a particular keyword. So by the end of this video, hopefully you now understand what search intent is, the 4 different types, and how you can best match it. But feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.